Here is a Lasko 3733. I had picked this up. It was actually a dumpster find at my work. This fan was in the parts department at where I work at, and they threw it out because it wasn't working. So this weekend, me and a buddy had put some power to it, and it was actually just seized up. So yeah, tore the motor apart, put some oil in it, cleaned it all up. It was actually kind of a nightmare trying to clean this fan. I mean, you still kind of see residual dirt on there still. Not so much on the back grill here. Other than the chassis is in rough shape. It's not an overall bad fan. But anyway, we'll start up on low. It's got a nice low speed. Kick it to medium. And a little high. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.